Hi everyone. Let's be honest, hiring is a bit like online dating. Everyone looks great in their profile, but you don't want to find out 3 weeks into the job that your stellar new manager is actually a world-class con artist or has a hobby of, say, like Grand Theft Auto. So, if you're tired of playing criminal roulette with your payroll, ZippyApp's new integrated background check feature is about to become your new best friend. Here's how to quickly and professionally ensure that your candidate is exactly who they claim to be. To get started, log into your ZippyApp account and head to the Applicants tab at the top. Find the candidate that you want to screen, and on the right-hand side of their profile, simply click Run Background Check. Next, you'll choose your preferred verification package from the drop-down menu. The system will automatically send a candidate the secure link via email and text. When the candidate clicks the link, they are guided to the Canary background check portal. Here, they can securely enter their personal information and review and sign the required authorization forms. This ensures all legal compliance is handled before the process begins. While the check is being processed, you can stay updated via our ZippyApp dashboard. You will see the candidate status update into In Progress, so you're never left wondering about the timeline.
2 hours later.
Once the check is done, the status updates automatically. Just click Reports to see the full PDF, which includes their identity verification and criminal record information. And that's it. That's how easy it is to protect your business and take the guesswork out of hiring. If you have any questions, just reach out. We're always here to help you build a safer, stronger team.
Take flight with ZippyApp.